1. First Standard B section. Hi, I am Genghis Khan, the great conqueror of Asia. This is my country and my peoples. In my country, there should be no religious or caste. All are equal. There should be only truth inside everyone. But never fear for anyone. Don't be a slave. In my time, me and my peoples will never fall back at any situation. Everyone should be a warrior, not a coward. My mission is to unite whole world in one empire. In my period, men and women are comparable to each other. Champions are not born. Champions are made in practice. Thank you.